College life is full of excitement, new opportunities, and endless possibilities. However, it can quickly become overwhelming if you don't manage your time well. Between classes, assignments, exams, friendships, and personal responsibilities, students often feel pulled in many directions. Without a clear plan, stress builds up and deadlines are missed. But with effective time management, you can enjoy college, achieve academic success, and maintain a healthy balance in your life. Let's explore how you can take control of your time and make the most of your college experience. Time management is a crucial skill for every college student. When you juggle multiple responsibilities, poor time management can lead to stress, missed deadlines, and lower grades. On the other hand, good time management helps you stay organized, meet your goals, and enjoy a balanced life. It's not just about getting more done, it's about making sure you're doing the right things at the right time. By mastering your schedule, you'll feel more confident, less anxious, and ready to tackle whatever college throws your way. 80-20 rule, also known as the Pareto principle, is a powerful concept for college students. It means that 80% of your results come from just 20% of your efforts. In practical terms, this suggests you should focus on the tasks and assignments that matter most. Identify which subjects or projects have the biggest impact on your grades and prioritize them every day. By concentrating your energy where it counts, you'll achieve more with less stress and make your study time truly effective. Knowing what's important is the first step, but prioritizing your tasks is where real progress happens. Each day, make a list of assignments, readings, and projects. Rank them by importance and urgency. Start with the tasks that will have the biggest impact on your academic success. This approach helps you avoid wasting time on less critical activities and ensures you're always moving forward. Remember, not everything on your to-do list deserves equal attention. One of the best habits you can develop is making a weekly schedule. Every Sunday, sit down and plan your entire week. Write down all your classes, study sessions, assignment deadlines, and personal activities. Having a written plan removes confusion and keeps you focused. It also helps you spot busy days in advance and adjust your workload accordingly. With a clear roadmap, you'll feel more in control and less likely to forget important tasks. Written plan is more than just a list, it's your guide to a productive week. When you write things down, you clarify your goals and priorities. It's easier to track progress and stay motivated. Written plans also help you avoid last-minute surprises and reduce anxiety about forgetting something important. Whether you use a planner, calendar app, or sticky notes, having your schedule visible keeps you accountable and on track. Pomodoro Technique is a simple yet effective way to boost your concentration and productivity. Here, how it works: study for 25 minutes with full focus, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle 4 times and then take a longer 20-minute break. This method helps you stay sharp, avoid burnout, and make the most of your study sessions. It's especially useful when tackling challenging subjects or lengthy assignments. Using the Pomodoro Technique, you break your study time into manageable chunks. This keeps your mind fresh and prevents mental fatigue. Short breaks allow you to recharge and return to your work with renewed energy. Over time, you'll notice improved concentration, better retention of information, and less stress. It's a proven strategy for students who want to maximize their productivity without feeling overwhelmed. Every college student faces distractions, but some are more damaging than others. Social media scrolling, binge-watching Netflix, and procrastination are the biggest time wasters. These habits eat into your productive hours and make it harder to stay on track. Recognizing these pitfalls is the first step to overcoming them. By being aware, you can start to make changes and protect your valuable study time. Manage distractions, use app timers, and set boundaries for your screen time. Decide in advance how much time you'll spend on social media or entertainment each day. Stick to your limits and use technology to help you stay disciplined. Protect your productive hours by turning off notifications and creating a focused study environment. These small changes can make a big difference in your daily routine. College isn't just about academics, it's also about building friendships, exploring hobbies, and enjoying new experiences. All work and no play can make college life miserable. Schedule time for friends, exercise, and relaxation. A balanced student performs better academically and feels happier mentally. Remember, taking care of your social and emotional well-being is just as important as hitting the books. When you balance study and social life, you're more likely to succeed in college and enjoy the journey. Academic achievement improves, stress levels drop, and you feel more fulfilled. Making time for rest and fun helps you recharge and stay motivated. It's all about finding the right mix that works for you so you can thrive both inside and outside the classroom. Building good time management habits doesn't happen overnight. Start small, plan your day, set priorities, and stick to your schedule. Over time, these daily habits add up to big results. You'll notice more free time, less stress, and greater academic success. The key is consistency. Make time management a part of your routine and watch your college experience transform. Time is your most valuable resource as a college student. Protect it fiercely. Say no to unnecessary commitments, avoid time-wasting activities, and focus on what matters most. By guarding your time, you create space for learning, growth, and personal development. Remember, every minute counts, so use it wisely and make the most of your college years. Managing your time well is the foundation for a successful and enjoyable college experience. By planning, prioritizing, and balancing your activities, you set yourself up for academic achievement and personal happiness. Start today, make a schedule, use proven techniques, and protect your time. Small daily habits will lead to big success tomorrow. Take control of your time and make your college journey truly rewarding.